On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Lisbeth Muller, and today I will show you an Asian chicken dinner that's absolutely delicious. I'm cutting up the green onions and I'm going to throw in towards the end in the dish. I'm just going to sprinkle it over my dish towards the end, but I just thought I'd show you that I just cut it, you know, keeping it close together and just like this, okay? And just a little tad. You don't need too much of the green onions. Like I said, it's just a little sprinkling that I do on the dish. I'm putting this on the side so later on I can sprinkle it on when the dish is finished and prepared. Okay, put it on the bowl right by my pan. Before I was talking about the chicken and how I actually want to cut it, but before I cut my chicken, even though it comes in a package, I like to clean my chicken with some vinegar to take anything that's on it, like anything, you know, any slime or, you know, chicken sometimes is very wet and I don't like that kind of feeling on the chicken, so I clean it up